We are entering an exciting new chapter, one of bold growth and transformation. Our expansion across Southeast Asia and the Middle East opens doors to new opportunities in fast-growing markets. Our goal is clear: to lead in FinTech by delivering smarter, broader, and more innovative solutions. But this is more than growth. It's about becoming the trusted partner for global clients who value excellence and local insight. Embrace globalization. Empower local impact. Every new market gives us the chance to create meaningful change, delivering global standards tailored to local needs. Build bridges, not borders. Despite differences in culture and time zones, our unity makes us stronger. By supporting each other, we move as one. At the heart of our journey is this belief: happy employees, happy clients. When we thrive, so do our clients. Let's grow with purpose and build a future we're proud of, together.